What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Whatever time you're watching this. We're back out here at Hollister. It's about 8 o'clock. You know how we do. We're already geared up, bike's warmed up, gassed up. We're ready to go. Early bird gets the worm. Today is Saturday, October 13th. Monster Cup tonight, boys. And we're gonna get out and get some good riding in today. Come on, man. Squid move already. You know, we're gonna get out and get some good ripping. And get back home in time to do a few things around the house and start get ready for that race. It's gonna be a good one. Pretty pumped. Villapoto is gonna be back on Blue Crew for, you know, first time racing Supercross. Yeah, I'm not sure when you guys will watch this. I might upload it Saturday as soon as I get home. It might be Sunday, so you guys it might already have passed. But anyways, let's get after it. Oh yeah, we're back on the Hero Black 7. I bought new batteries for it, so we have a couple batteries to go through for today. Last weekend I only had one, so kind of went out quick, and not quick, but died out, and I didn't feel like charging it. So I went back on the Hero 4, but I didn't even upload that footage because it was nothing good. I tried to get a mic for it. They don't make a mic, dude. The mic that I have for my 4, it goes straight into my Hero 4, and it's like, you know, perfect. You know, the sound quality is awesome. This one, it's like we're running off the sound of the GoPro. It's all right. I'm pretty surprised on it, actually. But I noticed when I'm getting on it and there's wind, it cuts the wind out and my voice. So it kind of like fluctuates from high and low audio. I got a little connector for it to try to connect my mic to it, but it didn't fit. So we're gonna have to wait on that. Hopefully they come out with something soon. If not, you guys let me know if you like this audio. I really like the footage from the Hero 7 though. Oh, and the kid goes down. I really like the footage from this. The hyper stabilization is pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, we'll see y'all on the trail. Peace. What's up? We're back out here. I think I said that in the intro of this video, but oh well. You know where we're at. We're right here at the good stuff. About to get into it right away. Just when you think you're out the game, she comes banging right back, guys. Tell ya, I had a nice little spin out right there, and just hung in it. Leaned back with the weight on the rear tire, and she hooked, and we fluctuated the throttle. Woo woo woo! That's how you do it. I'll go up this nice one right here. See? See? Oh yeah, we're squidding it right now though, that's for sure. I'm a little hopped up on a Starbucks double shot. Check this out. I remember this used to be open to everybody right here, dude. But we found a way in. We're gonna turn around and hit it. That's how we do it. Now we gotta get into good stuff, man. Open up some of these trails again. fun up this spot. You know, I'll be that guy that's out here and all this stuff, you know, breaking in these trails for you guys for when you're ready. I mean, I'm not saying this is the hard stuff, but I think it's just the stuff that people don't remember about. It gets overgrown quick. Ooh, coming in hot. You know what I mean? Off camera right here. Well, check that out, dude. What you guys think? Like, whoa, fuck! I don't know where that tree hit, but it nailed somewhere. Everything's there. Brake pedal's there. So far, no leaking. I don't know if we're gonna hit that. Gotta hit that, you know what I mean? Oh, there's the run up right there. Reverse. Alright, let's get it. It was a little loose, dude, once you got into the weeds right there. And we pulled it over to the clear area, and we got some traction back. See, this stuff right here can fool you or get you. You got a crap load of debris inside the trail, and it just don't slow you down. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Oh. We ain't playing no games. Oh, snap. My pivot turns, dude. Gotta learn my pivot turns. I can turn around so much better. I'm always like this. Come in hot, hit the back brake, skid around. And then turn like a squid. It was all good, we get it done. Get it. Oh, right on. We thought we were in neutral, but yeah. See, I remember I hit that year last season, I believe. You know, just in this little area, I hit up all that stuff, dude. We didn't even get far. We literally came in over there by those trees. So you can find it. Just gotta look for it. all the good stuff. So I believe it's gonna do it for this vid. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We steady growing, man. Loving it. Appreciate all the support. Hey, these guys. And to everybody that I met last weekend at the NFR Ride Day, it was awesome meeting you guys. And hope you guys had fun. I know it was kind of hard. It was kind of hard to keep everybody together because there's so many people. But it was awesome. All right, brothers and brothettes, let's start this other vid. See if we catch up to those guys. Peace.